Yo guys, quick one. Yup, okay, we've smashed TP1 just around this level, and we're gunning for TP2. It is right here at this level. Now look at that sniper entry. Look at our SL. Look at where we took the trade from. All right, this is exactly where we took this trade from. Let me go to the VIP group and show you guys how much we got. Yeah, you can see okay, I haven't updated them about the TP smash yet. I'm going to do that just before the end of this video. All right, but I'm trying to show you guys why we took this trade. I want to show you why, because I want you guys to know how to do this yourself. I'm doing this for free. All right, so make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that yet. Subscribe, smash the like button, all right, so that this video can go to different people who might want to make good use of the information I'm about to spill here. All right, so yep, we're on it. We're still milking. Look at this position. This is VIX 50. By the way, it's a very slow market. It doesn't really move very fast, hence the lot size. I use 10 lot size. All right, I use 10 lot size, and it's really it has really given us so much profit. Okay, all right, so how did I get to the point where I took this trade? Now trust me guys, you don't need to overlook price action. I know a lot of people want to just get indicators that will guide them on when to buy, when to sell, and all of that. Yes, that makes sense. That makes the whole work easy. All right, it makes the whole work a lot easier for you guys. But is it sustainable? Is it something that you want to keep up with forever? Will it help you win in the long run? Right? Will it help you win forever? I don't think so, guys. I don't think so. I rather feel like price action is what will give you as much profit as what you deserve. All right, so you just have to have the skill. It's not that hard, guys. Don't let anybody just fool you. It's not that hard. It's not that hard, I mean. All right, so I'm going to quickly show you guys a testimony where one of my students made a whooping 25K from $700. Yo, she wouldn't have done this without price action. I have a couple of more testimonies from my students who through our very simple strategy which they've learned, and they are gaining expertise every day as they practice. They have been able to flip their accounts. They've been able to do a lot of stuffs on their accounts, guys. So just always ensure to keep your chart simple. It's very important. Keep your charts very simple. Keep your analysis very simple. In fact, the simpler your analysis, the better. All right, so I had to quickly just update them. Sorry about that. I had to just quickly update them on the TP. I got smashed. All right, we are still going for the next one. The next target is right here. Okay, so we are going right there, guys. So yo, how did we do this? How did we get to the point where we're taking this trade? Like I said, it's always very important for your chart to be simple but effective. Okay, so with price action you will be able to have a very simple chart. All right, don't let anybody fool you with all the plenty stuff that you get to see on people's screens. Right, the simpler your chart is, the better. Trust me, because it will be easy for you to understand what you're doing and all of that, where you're going to, where the market is going to. You don't get to confuse yourself with a lot of these tools that you see on your MetaTrader. Okay, so how do we get to the point where we took this trade? It is just a simple breakout and retest strategy. All right, a simple breakout and retest strategy. That's one important technique I teach my students in the mentorship program. I want everybody that I teach to master that strategy because it has worked for me over the years of my trading, guys. It has worked for me over the years of my trading, and it is very simple to replicate it. It is very simple. It's a very simple strategy for anybody to make use of. Okay, so what do you want to do before you take a trade, guys? You want to first of all check the higher time frame, look at where the market is likely going to. Okay, so the candlesticks are important. The candlesticks will tell you a lot about the market. All right, the chart patterns, the wave patterns will tell you a lot about the market. All right, so you want to first of all see that the market is in that level where it wants to reverse from, or it is already going to your direction. It's already going to the direction where you want to, where you feel like it's going to continue. All right, in this case, price had come to a certain support, a very key support on the daily time frame. Okay, and I got to meet market around this level where price had already printed a couple of bullish candlesticks, which means reversal was already happening. Okay, so on switching to the 4 hours time frame, this is where we were before I took the trade. All right, this is at this point you can see that the previous candlestick closed bullish, which was this one, and then this one was already printing. This one was already printing even up to this level before I took this trade. But that was not enough reason why I want to trade. I already see that, like I said, price had already hit key support on the daily time frame, and it was already reversing. Okay, on the 4 hours time frame, you could see that price had already printed bullish candlesticks, which was still a retest of this area. If I place my horizontal line here, you will see that price had broken this resistance, went to that point, went up to this other level here. This is another minor resistance around this level, and then it retested the previous resistance, now becoming support. All right, this was immediately after this retest that price started printing the bullish movement. You can see the rejections at this level, and then it printed. I needed to see a proper bullish market. All right, I needed to see a proper bullish market, so I had to wait for price to print and complete this candlestick. Remember that on the 4 hours time frame, it takes 4 hours for price to open and close, right? So you see how long I had to wait. Patience is very important. All right, so it printed this bullish candlestick with some rejections from the downside. This was good for me. Now this is a retest. This is a retest of this support right here, and price is pulling upwards, and it has already printed a bullish market, right? A bullish candlestick, which had the market closed in favor of the buyers. Okay, so that's not enough. All right, we switched to the 1 hour time frame. We could see almost the same thing. Look at this. Price broke that. This is the same level I placed that line on. Price broke. Okay, this is it right here. Now price came here, broke this level, retested this level. The same thing that happened here on the 4 hours time frame, it happened again on the 1 hour time frame. Now this is going to keep going down to the lowest time frames, right? The breakout retest strategy happens on almost all the time frames. All right, so you just want to see it happen on the time frame closer to you. When I mean closer, what I mean by closer to you is, you know your equity, you know how much you want to risk. All right, you know where you want to be trading from. You don't want to over leverage. You don't want to also make a wrong entry. I mean, you don't want to, I know you want to be buying, but you don't want to buy from an area where your entry is quite far from where you should be closing out from, in case it goes south. All right, so put all of that into consideration and make your good trading decision. Okay, so now price repeats the same thing that happened in the 4 hours time frame right here. It happened the same way again here. It broke out and then retested that area which was previously resistance, and now it has become support, and then boom, it printed the bullish candlesticks. You can see how pretty the bullish candlesticks on the 1 hour time frame is. Look at this. This is a very beautiful bullish movement, bullish candlestick, plus the doji candlestick here is enough reason for one to want to buy. Even buying from here is still good. okay, but we entered around here. But this is not on the time, so we didn't take this trade on this time frame. All right, so let's switch to a lower time frame, 30 minutes. You can see that almost the same thing happened again. All right, see, it happened here again. It keeps happening like that. So the breakout and retest strategy works very well. Okay, so yeah, on the 15 minutes time frame, I guess this is where we took this trade from. All right, so price had broken the resistance here, turned that area to support. This is where we placed our trade, and then you can see how much profit we've been basking in. All right, this is a very simple thing for you to replicate. You just have to understand the areas where you want to be looking out for, the areas where you want to trade from. Okay, how do you know that? First of all, on the higher time frame, you need to define your resistance, your support and resistance areas. That is your demand and supply zones. All right, how do you define your support and your resistance areas? You want to see reversal points at that level. All of these other guys should just chill. All right, you want to see that price has reversed on a particular level for a couple of times. All right, you can see that whenever price comes to the area here where I have this horizontal line, it keeps bouncing back upwards or downwards, whatever the case is. Right, it keeps happening. So that place is where I set out as my key support on the daily time frame. All right, my key support on the daily time frame. You can do that on the 4 hours time frame still. All right, so if price comes to that support, you want to be buying. Okay, you can see we are still pushing to the upside, guys. This is very sweet. This is very interesting. Trust me, if you want to know more about how to how to identify these zones so that you can make a good trading decision for yourself, you can hit me up on WhatsApp. Enroll in my mentorship program. Is very affordable, and it, of course, is very the strategy to teach you, the approach to teach you is very much simple. You can get to apply them on every financial market, and it works very simple, guys. It works very simple. Hit me up on WhatsApp. My number will be on the description of this video. Also, you can join our free channel, our free Telegram channel. I will also leave the link on the description of this video so that you can access it and see how we are doing, be a part of what we have there, and of course make money for yourself. Trust me. So yep, we're still moving very fast into our targets. See how close we are to our targets. I'm moving very fast into our targets. This is it. Today we are going to make more profits. Oh my god, I can't even wait. So I'll halt this video here. The next video I'm going to be showing you guys should be more on indicators. I want to really prepare a good indicator for you guys, and have the people that don't have the time to learn how to analyze the market by themselves, to still benefit from our channel. So I should be talking about indicators next, and of course I want to bring the best indicators ever. So guys, watch out, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. Please do that. Turn on your notification bell so that you get this information firsthand. Peace.